Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my wellness meal planner. It is a newer layout from the Happy Planner and here we go. I am super excited. So it is for the week of February 21st through the 27th. I am going to be using the Live Love Posh stickers. I want spring in my planner already. It has been wintry and snowy in Chicago and I am not enjoying this one bit. So flowers it is, plus that's my default anyway. So I wanted to say thank you. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you for choosing to spend this time with me. I truly appreciate you. And I hope that you will enjoy the spread with me. So here we go. I am using the Live Love Posh Icons and Blooms. It's an older book, but I really love her designs in that one. And I'm going to be using it throughout this whole spread. Okay, so I just cut a couple flowers in half. This way I can fit them in my planner without taking too much space away from my writing, but also gives me double the flowers, right? And I love edging my flowers like so. I hope you guys are having a great week and staying healthy and safe. If you're using the same planner, let me know how you are decorating it. I'm always curious. You can leave me your Instagram name and I'll definitely check your posts out. I'm such a fan of this layout. It really helps me track all of my meals, and where it has the ingredients to prep, I track many other items on there that help me situate my life. So that's where I am at with this planner. This is the second month and I'm truly enjoying it. The format is really simplistic, so I don't have to think too much about it, and that's kind of really nice. Okay, I don't know where to place this flower. Oh, let's actually cover the ingredients because that's not it at all. This is where I track my supplements and then steps, sleep, and mood. I have 4 little things I track in here. I don't know where to add this tiny little bit of florals, so for now I'm gonna leave it on the page of the book and go from there. I'm pulling all of these beautiful pink florals, leaves to add into the spread. Doesn't the spread kind of scream spring at you? It's bright but pastel-y, but really soft, but vibrant. I can't describe it. I love these flowers. Okay, so there goes that. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more floral arrangements to right here to cover up that part. And then I'm using one of the Agenda 52 books. And look at how fun these girls are. So I picked that one because of the pink hair. It completely matches the spread. So I wanted to incorporate her into the spread and make something a little bit different. and then the other one just matches with the colors. So I will go ahead and add that one first. Look how adorable she is. Oh my lord, right? Beautiful. And I didn't want to remove dinner because I still want to see it through her hair. So it's all good. And then I'm going to add that one right there. And then add a tiny little sofa right here. Okay, the only other thing I need is figure out how I'm going to put all of my statistics down below. So I'm trying to see what else is in this book that I can go ahead and add. I think I'm going to use these little boxes. Let's see. They have 4 dots already, so that's practically perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and add those to the spread. So we'll do green, peach, and floral, like so. And we'll do the same thing, green, peach, floral, and then I'm missing one. I'll find it off camera probably and add it when I find it because I don't have it right now. Okay, this spread is almost nearly complete. It's making me super excited looking at this. It's beautiful and vibrant and fun. I'm gonna add this Home Sweet Home to finish up that empty space in there. And then on the lower under the Sunday, I still need a box so that I'm leaving. Other than that, I think we are good. I do want to add one more of these really beautiful lanterns. Actually, add it right there maybe. I'm going to remove that leaf and that really pretty lantern, and then I'm gonna add that leaf right there. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this spread. If you did, give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please do so, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!